Good morning students. Now class 7th. Today you have to read about the blood vessels. There are three tubes present in our body which are connected with the heart. Now these tubes which carry the blood from heart to different parts of our body and different parts to our heart, those tubes are called the blood vessels. Now there are three types of blood vessels, that is arteries, veins and blood capillaries. Arteries takes the pure blood from heart and carry it into different parts of the body. And veins carry the impure blood, that is the blood with carbon dioxide, and takes different part from our body and carry it to the heart. Now blood capillaries, arteries is divided into very thin tubes that goes into our different parts, and they are collectively open into the veins. So now blood capillaries are the thin tubes which connect the arteries and veins. Now there are three types of blood vessels. You have known that arteries, veins and blood capillaries. Arteries carry pure blood, that is oxygenated blood, from our heart to different parts of the body, and veins carry impure blood from different parts to our heart, and blood capillaries, what they join the connect the arteries with veins. Understand? Now blood. Blood is a red colored thick fluid, and it contains many components, that is mainly two components are there. First RBC, WBC and blood platelets, and second what is the blood plasma. Now you have to know about the RBC, WBC and blood platelets. RBC is made up of protein, and that is made by the iron complex, that is hemoglobin. Now hemoglobin, its own presentation gives the red color of the blood, and it carries oxygen. So now it is known as the oxygen carrier. Now this is the respiratory carrier or oxygen carrier. Now WBC is the component of blood which is the defense force of our body. It protects us from different infection, different diseases. Understand? Now blood platelets. Blood platelets is the component of blood which clots the blood. Its function is to clot the blood. Now blood platelets, if we have the blood platelets when we have any injury, then blood is flowing. Now blood makes the film with the oxygen. If we have the blood platelets in sufficient amount, then clotting stops the bleeding. Now it prevents the excess loss of water during injury. Now we have sufficient amount of blood platelets in our blood. Now blood plasma. Blood plasma is the liquid component, and which is normally holds the blood cells. It is of straw color, and 55% total volume of the blood is the blood plasma. Understand? Now what is the function of blood? What are the function of RBC, WBC, blood platelets or blood plasma? Those are the function of the blood, you know. Now it is the oxygen carrier, it is the carbon dioxide carrier, and it maintains the body temperature, and it fight with fight in infections. Now these are the function of blood. Understand? Okay.